settings.
Okay, so I'm here with Mitti Storckovius from Nokia's. Okay, let's turn this. Nokia's. Actually, tell us where you are from.
I'm from Sustainability Initiatives and Devices, and basically I'm here telling more about what are the environmental improvements across the portfolio that we have. And there are several building blocks that come together in the devices. Here's one example, the 5630 Express Music. It comes in a smaller pack. It's been energy optimized so that it has an ambient light sensor that guides the amount of display lighting, which is a big energy consumer. There's power save settings that the user can operate him or herself, and it comes with a 5-star rated charger that charges quickly but doesn't waste any energy if you leave it plugged into the wall. Nice. And most importantly, it provides you access to all sorts of environmental content, which is, for example, the We Offset application for offsetting the carbon dioxide you create while flying, or travel planning with Green Explorer, or other types of eco content and applications that's available through EcoZone in the download application.
Okay, what about these devices here? Are they somehow all environmental?
Well, these are the ones where similarly the pieces of puzzle come together. So packaging, energy questions, material choices, as well as the environmental services have all been put together. And you can see that still the consumer has a lot of choice. There's music devices, navigation devices, business devices, quality devices. So you don't have to trade off features, but you can choose a phone you want and still have a good conscience that you bought an environmentally improved one. And in future, more and more phones will be like this.
Okay, so I'll shoot the videos of these, but can you tell me about the packages? What's environmental?
I think this one is the best one. So this is the compact pack. And this compact pack is something that the entry category has used since 2006. They moved from bigger packs to this, and while moving to smaller packs, they actually save 100,000 tons of paper, and then put 12,000 trucks off the road. So theoretically, every other truck that Nokia used to use, because you can fit so many more of these into one pallet and truck and store and everything. It's been very well received, and it's a standard pack we use now for emerging markets.
Okay, and does Nokia still ship a new charger with every device?
We've been experimenting with some devices not having a charger, but that's only experimental yet, and we are waiting for the industry and consumer response on that to see if that's something that we can do broadly.
All right, what about the standardizing the plug? There's been discussions on the industry that you want to standardize the plug on the charger.
That has been one discussion, but we should not forget this. With Nokia we have the micro USB mainly for data, and then we've had the 2mm plug, which is the standard Nokia plug for just charging. And this means you can have multiple use cases, and also we have been paying attention that it's not about just standardizing the plug, but we hope that while we standardize the plug, we could also make sure that all the chargers, the better standardized chargers, would have also a low energy consumption, because just the plug doesn't help anyone. It only helps if the charger itself is good.
Okay, thank you, Mitti.